Hey y'all, Chef IrixGuy here, back again with another video. Now within this video, what I'm going to do is use my Gotham Steel crisper tray, and I'm going to do something really simple but tasty, and it's something that you want to have crispy. And these are just from the freezer section. You can get several different brands, but these are the TGI Fridays Mozzarella Sticks with marinara sauce. So what I'm going to do is take these out of the box, and I'm going to show you how to make exceptional cheese sticks at home. And this is the little sauce packet marinara, so I'm going to take care of that separately. But these are the cheese sticks right here. Again, just out of the freezer section at the grocery store. Nothing exotic. But I'm putting them on the crisper tray, and the secret is this. So what you'll want to do to make this, see, I just put them on the crisper tray, but get you some olive oil, and I've linked the little crisper tray, the olive oil sprayer like I use, and then also the oven like I use. Expand this video's description and click the links there. But spritz your cheese sticks with olive oil before putting them in your air fryer. And the reason to do that, it even makes them extra crispy, and it helps, I think it helps with coloration too. So this right here, I'm going to follow the instructions to the T, and that's 7 to 9 minutes air frying at 400 degrees. So I'm just going to go ahead and do 9 minutes. So I've got my oven here. I'd locked the controls because I was cleaning it and I didn't want to push the buttons. So all that I'm going to do with the Gotham Steel air fryer crisper tray, you can see air goes underneath there. So it's going to get all around these cheese sticks. I'm going to put this in. I'm going to select air fry, 400 degrees. And then I'm going to ask my assistant, set alarm for 9 minutes.
9-minute alarm set for 11:46 a.m.
So when they're done, it's going to alert me, and I'm going to show you the finished product. This air fryer, by the way, is super quiet. If you haven't used this type of oven before, you don't even know it's on. I turn the light on because what I like to do is, while something's air frying on my crisper tray, I like to sit there and watch it because you can see it changing color. So let's let this sucker do its thing, and let's come back and I'll show you the finished product. So you can see right here, things are ready, and look at this. Look at how crispy that is. And see, that's because the Gotham Steel crisper tray, there's that air gap right there, see? So see, the air can get all around your cheese sticks or whatever you're cooking, and that tray prevents crumbs and stuff from falling down to the bottom of your oven. But look at how crispy those are. I mean, this video does not do these are just, like I said, store-bought frozen mozzarella sticks. Video doesn't even do it justice. Let's tear into them, see how they taste. Okay, so the air fried mozzarella sticks are ready. We're going to take them out of the air fryer. This is obviously hot, so you need to put an oven mitt on, man. Just get my tray here. Awesome. Again, you can see the way that it separates. It creates that air gap between the tray and the little mesh piece. But I'm going to get these suckers here. We're going to give it an honest and just, no nonsense test here. I'm getting these little cheese sticks came with marinara sauce pack, so I've got that thawed out. I'm going to put that on there. Marinara sauce pack on here. And these are hot because they just came out of the air fryer oven, that is. That's what's so cool about this crisper tray. I mean, this thing is so large that, I mean, it occupied a minimal amount of space. I could have cooked so many more. But let's go ahead and give these a little crunch test. Perfectly air fried. I mean, once you start using an air fryer, you would never want to do traditional frying, because traditional frying, you're submerging your food in oil. With this, it's just the air that's creating the crispiness. Well, I did spritz it with olive oil, but I think olive oil is pretty healthy. I don't know, do you feel differently about olive oil? Comment below, tell me what you think. Good and crispy, perfectly cooked. Just a wonderful treat, and another excellent use case for the Gotham Steel air fryer crisper tray. So subscribe to my channel, ring that bell to be notified whenever I post another video, and check out all of my air fry with IrixGuy videos. Everything from cheese to wings to okra. I do it all. Y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, IrixGuy here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.